Now, ito na po yung final act ko, yung sinasabing water tank. Guys, please. We have here an aquarium, okay? Made of glass, of course. Tempered glass. Can I have a volunteer from the audience para ma-check natin yung ano? Hindi, check lang natin kung real siya. Hindi natin siya ilulubog. Any... Sir Abuel, please. Sir, come here. Check lang natin kung kan. Sir, I want you to check the lid. This is the cover. May strap siya. Solid. Fair?
Okay naman.
Sa ilalim. Pakita guys. Solid. Okay. Good, good. How about the aquarium, sir? Yung aquarium na to, made of tempered glass, about half inch. Real water siya, sir. Babasa. Chains, please. Chains. Yung chain na to, paki-check din, sir. Fair?
So,
Real products? Okay, good. Thank you very much, Sir Abuel. And now we will start my act for the water tank escape. Excuse me? Okay. Susubukan na natin yung cold water tank escape. So, kailangan matanggal to. Wala akong bahaw na sapatos. Delikado. Yan, anyways. Ayan. Okay.
Si tatay umaakit.
Are you ready, guys? Pare, are you ready? Welcome to the water tank escape. Okay, guys? Let's get it on!
babaeng basa?
Isama siya, isama!
Nasaan yung babaeng basa?
One more time.
Congratulations!
Congratulations! Average of 95.5. Of course, dahil siya ang grand winner for our Meralco Talentodo, he will get 11,000 pesos also and the trophy.
Buti na lang walang...
to represent Meralco sa MVP
Correct.
Olympics.
Buti na lang walang MTRCB kanina. Afraid of the dark.
Ayan.
Okay, congratulations.
Congratulations kay Donadel at kay
Vernon.
Vernon.
So they will be representing Meralco to the MVP Talentodo on 2012 MVP Olympics this coming March.
Congratulations! Thank you very much, Meralco. At maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita sa akin. Ito po ang inyong Mr. Fu ng 103.5 Wow FM at ng TV5. Maraming salamat po.
Yes.
Yes!
Maraming salamat po.